you come here, you get the pumpkin waffle, pumpkin pancake, have them put pumpkin in your eggs. Whatever you do, if you like pumpkin, pumpkin. Welcome to Donuts and Diners, the tastiest channel on YouTube. Today we are in Burleson, Texas, and we're at an awesome restaurant called Our Place. Now I hear they serve the best breakfast and lunch around, so let's go try them out. Come on. Now here at the front porch, you gotta stop and pose for a picture. But my wife, she's still remaining faceless. You gotta be good to win this many awards, and that just looks like Texas to me.
I like this cup I've got. You see what it says on this side? It says start with dessert first.
We just got our food. This may be the most amazing breakfast I've ever seen. Biscuits and gravy. Scrambled eggs. Every piece of the hog you can think of. Like, I have a whole half a hog on my plate. Potatoes. Papa Tom was lucky enough to meet one of his fellow Navy veterans. I salute you. Pumpkin waffle in the shape of Texas. More on the pumpkin waffle later. Look at these homemade pies. Do I need to say another word? Do I? Really? Let me remind you, if you're not a subscriber to our channel, click that subscribe button. Also, get that notification bell because you never know when we're going to be in your area. Give me a big thumbs up like down there. It really does help the channel. All right. I've sat down here and I have now tasted everything except for the waffle. And I can report that everything tastes wonderful. Here's the problem that I have. What I'm wondering is that if I really ordered one of those contests where if you finish in an hour, you get it free or something, because that's how much food there is in front of me. I think that's what it is. I don't think there's any way I'm going to finish all of this, but I'm going to do my best to try. This ham, you can see it's cooked perfectly. In North Carolina, when you get ham, you got to be careful because they'll give you a country ham, which is salty. Not in the South. You're going to get you some good old sweet ham. Good old sweet ham. That's good stuff. And this sausage, this sausage has such good flavor. And these potatoes, I would recommend the potatoes for sure. So, when you come back, you'll see how much of my plate is left and whether I have succeeded or not. If it's a nice day, you can eat out here on the patio like we did, or you can eat inside. They got plenty of room for you. Or if you want to, you can just belly right up to the bar. I come to you guys a little bit defeated. That's okay, because I'm happy because this food was so good. And I'm pretty full. However, if I finish all of this food, I will be miserable and I will not have any room for the pumpkin Texas shaped waffle. Yes, yes. Oh, that smells delightful. If you don't have smell-o-vision, I feel sorry for you. Okay, I'm looking at this waffle and I'm trying to think of how they could improve this. And I've thought of two ways this could be improved. One, if it was in the shape of Arkansas, or two, if it was in the shape of a Razorback. Go Hogs. And what's good about this Texas waffle is it's educational for your kids at breakfast. See, you can say, look, this is Texas. We are right here. This is where we live in Texas. And maybe you could say, look, Mexico is down here. Oklahoma's up here. See, educational breakfast. Yes. I'm so full for my breakfast, I've got to lay down and take a nap so I can finish that amazing pumpkin waffle. Here we go. I got to get a little of everything. Little of everything. I'm eating part of the border wall down here. Oh my. That could be the absolute best waffle I've ever eaten in my entire life. I love pumpkin. Yes, yes. Yes, yes.
Well, it was mighty fine. I believe I might do it again. I'm full as a little brown dog tick.
And I am too. We know Papa Tom likes it when he says,
The coffee's always on.
until next time, we'll see ya.